मिस्टर विजय पाल कपूर, आपको डायबिटीज है, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर है फॉर द लास्ट 35 इयर्स और आप मेरे पास दिसंबर 21 में आए थे अपोलो हॉस्पिटल में. At that time your condition was very serious. You had undergone earlier bypass surgery for the heart and you came to me with kidney failure. You were very short of breath and you were admitted in the ICU for many days.
Yeah.
Maybe a month you were in the ICU.
Yeah. I was for 1 month.
1 month.
Almost.
And then we did several dialysis on you. And थोड़ा बताइए इसके बारे में.
मेरी 7-8 डायलिसिस 30 डेज में हुई थी.
आपकी कंडीशन कैसी थी आईसीयू में?
मेरी कंडीशन आईसीयू में आई वाज इन वेरी बैड शेप व्हेन आई got admitted. But gradually I
don't know, were you on ventilator?
Yeah, I was in ventilator.
You were on ventilator, you were very short of breath, you were on dialysis, you were a heart patient, diabetic, and you were very, very ill.
Yeah.
But उसके बाद क्या हुआ?
उसके बाद when I got discharged from the hospital after 1 month, no dialysis is needed for the last 2.5 years. I am well. I am keeping on well. My kidney is working well. The creatinine level is running between 2 and 3. Now it is 2.6. And no swelling, nothing in my hand. Don't feel anything.
I will tell. His blood pressure is normal. His hemoglobin is 11. His creatinine today is 2.6.
Yeah.
And there is no edema. He walks around normally. I have told him not to have non-veg, to have vegetarian food and no juices. But for 2.5 years, this gentleman is absolutely all right. He is not on dialysis. We are not even talking about dialysis. And he's leading a normal life.
Yes.
So, this, why I've made this video with you is because people think that once on dialysis, always on dialysis. Although he's got chronic kidney disease. This is not acute renal failure. This is chronic kidney disease. And he is off dialysis for the last 2.5 years.
Yes.
And you're quite well, and he's living with his son in Pune. He has come to Delhi for a few days on a holiday to meet his daughter and son-in-law, and he will be going back in a week. Would you like to say anything, son-in-law sir? What's your name? Ujjwal. Would you like to say anything? How he was initially and
Yeah. So once I got him admitted in December 2021, he was in a very bad condition at that day. So I have rushed him to Apollo Hospital, and thanks that we have got good medical ailment over there, and then he's perfect now.
Thank you very much.